When you apply it with enough pressure and time, the removable adhesive holds firmly even on Apple's genuine glossy covers. But if your cover's surface doesn't grip well, there's a way to attach it much more strongly. Use the extra double-sided tape that's included. Just note that the cover may be damaged when you remove it, so proceed carefully. Every tape we provide has two different sides. The brown film side is the super strong adhesive, and the clear film side is the removable adhesive. First, peel the clear film off the extra tape to expose the removable side. Hold the brown film and the tape together so the brown film doesn't come off. Peel the clear film off the holder's tape as well. Press the two exposed removable sides together. Removable sides bond strongly to each other. Finally, peel the brown film, place the super strong side on the cover, and press firmly. Press evenly for about 30 seconds. If you leave it on without removing it, it fully sets after 24 hours. Now the holder stays firmly in place. When you remove it, the bonded removable sides may separate first. OFA Inline. Hold stronger, last longer.